RT-SX3 BomBeat, and I just thought I'd show you that it does. Whoops, wait. There. Well, it's going to prove me wrong now. Well, there it was, the beginning of the next song. It won't rewind. It's ejected. Well, there we go. I guess it needs to be on a level surface to properly open. Let's see here. Play. Try to fast forward again. Well. 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 I'm just having too much fun here. Well, it won't do reverse. Well, who knows? Let me try going to the next song, because that's not what I was trying for. We know that song. Okay, so let's hear. Come on, lock in place, darn it. Well, come on. Okay, I don't know the secret. It'll cue, but it won't lock in place. It won't do this. It was working. Well, okay, I gotta just stop that. Anyway, it plays tapes great, and that's just a 2-minute review of trying to get that darn thing. It would work. It worked in the house, but it won't work outside. But it plays tapes, radio.
Baseball tonight, and it's because of the return of Major League Baseball.
I would love that, and you guys enjoy this week. Hopefully there's some good news for us. It was fun talking to y'all.
Well, I didn't bring enough. I only brought, anyway, that's all I know. I'm outside with it. It works fine. Plays, fast forward and rewinds. It just won't do the music search. Uses directions. Definitely won't rewind it, but it'll rewind. Let's see here. Just do a rewind. See, let me get you up close. See it rolling along there. Tape counter rolling along. Okay, so, but it won't do the music search. I don't know why. See here. Come on. Well, I don't know the secret. Anyway, works great. Sounds great. I got it because it's got some really odd equalizations, and I'll show you real close. Those are just some odd frequencies to have a big, huge gap between 400 and 7K. So, but it sounds great outside. I just thought I'd show it to you like that. Okay. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm having enjoyment with it. Thanks. Bye-bye. Oh, that's the wrong button.